Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do an updated POV for my truck setup because I've added so much new stuff to my vehicle and I thought it was worthy enough to do another video about. So what all I've added brand new, I've added two grill lights to the grill, two rear lights to the front license plate, a antenna. I've added grill lights to the sides, on both sides of the running boards, and I've added another back visor light bar in the back, and down here you can see the lights. So I decided to redo my center console. If you remember my other video, I had toggle switches that controlled my Kenwood back lights, front lights, and a hot wire for the gulls. So I ended up purchasing a Touchmaster Delta from Federal Signal. I'm very pleased with this model. The amount of wiring it took, there was little to none. It was outrageously smooth, and I mean, it was 10 out of 10 recommended. Love this model. I bought it used off a guy in Ohio for a really good deal. And so now I have two Sirens, but the Federal Signal completely outdoes the Gulls just because of my speaker placement. I love my Gulls and I'll still use my Gulls, but I mean, this is going to be my primary focus. So you have your 1, 2, 3 toggle switch here for your lighting control. With your toggle 1, you have the side lights still. It's tight in my garage. You have, there's your my other visor light I just installed. And you have your side lights on the running boards. And down here you have your flashing lights as well. So I don't have any wigwags or anything like that. So we're just going to go and activate to the 2 and the 3. And so now everything has been activated in the front. And there is the 2 little grill lights there. And so everything's flashing like a Christmas tree. And it's absolutely beautiful. Now what I am outrageously loving is the Siren. So here's my Gulls. And here's the Federal Signal. So we'll do them both together. You can hear the sound difference. The manuals on both. This one has an RLS compared to, this is the manuals for the Federal Signal compared to the Gulls model. Outrageously different. So compared to, but what I'm going to do though is, I mean, I'm obviously going to run them both because why not? So whether it's going to be the whale or so I cannot wait to run this to the station for a call because I can't wait to see the amount of difference of traffic moving. And yeah, so but something that I really wanted to model that I could base off a toggle switch here, so I wouldn't have a lighting issue, because one of my toggle switches had blown out for one of my lighting, so I had to wire them all to one switch, and the as you could see on my other video. But with this model, I won't have anything to worry about because these are very independable and I can rely on it and I don't have to worry about it blowing out. So, but something I really like about this, it has a phaser and it has a awesome different tone, kind of like the Street Thunder. It's different, but I mean, I can't explain it, you just gotta listen to it. So I'm just gonna turn it on Whale, I'm gonna hit the RLS. That I just love that. This one also has a phaser, or not, I don't know if it's a phaser, it's more of like a rumbler. Not a rumbler. I guess it would be a phaser. Our tanker has. So I am outrageously in love with this new setup. I still have my Kenwood in here, that hasn't changed. I mean, it took me about 5 or so hours to get all the wiring and whatnot cleaned up from the toggle switches, but it was well worth it. And I'm going to open up my garage door so you can actually we're going to pull the truck out so you can see what the lights look like at night. So, 1, 2, 3. And the flashback's not bad compared to that side. It's very drivable right here at night. Busting my butt right now. So, that's what it looks like in the front now. It's snowing a little, as you can see. So, other sides. What it looks like in the back. I was wanting to find a way to make my light bar underneath here. I was wanting to find a way to make it wig-wag back and forth, but that's just way too much wiring past my capabilities. Mr. Cooper. And here's what it looks like from this side. So I plan on doing more like response videos and whatnot, especially now, because I'm just so excited about this new setup, and I can't wait to actually get to use it. So I appreciate you all watching. Hope you all stay safe. You all have had a good holiday season and whatnot. I know it's been a while, but I plan on getting back into it. So be prepared to watch some more good videos. I appreciate you all watching. Peace.